welcome back to my channel. So today it is a most awaited video. I know all of you are eagerly waiting for this video, how to search UK jobs, which all are the website for searching UK jobs, how to update your CV and how to attend your interview, and after completing or successfully completing your interview, what all are the requirements. All those things will be discussed today. So keep watching and stay tuned. Let us begin today's session with hunting UK jobs or searching for UK jobs. I'll be showing you all some of the hospitals and the website which will be useful for searching jobs in UK. It includes both the government as well as the private sector, so that you can directly apply to their website and they will be shortlisting and calling forward for an interview. So the first one is the NHS jobs, that is the National Health Service jobs. All the NHS jobs across England and Scotland will be listed here. Means in this website www.jobs.nh.uk, you may go to that website and you can use your specialty keyword for searches. For example, if you are searching for the post of radiographer, then you can give the keyword as radiographer and then you can search for the jobs. Second one is the NHS same for Scotland jobs. This is also similar to that of NHS jobs England, and the website is given down. You may go to that website and search or apply for the jobs. Next comes the Cromwell Hospital. It is a major private sector hospital in London, which is operated by an international healthcare company, Bupa. So this is the website of the Cromwell Hospital for career as well as for job vacancies. You may go through this website and you can apply directly to this private sector. And if they are happy with your CV, you will be shortlisted and they will be called forward for an interview. And you may also search for their other hospital vacancies in this website. Next comes the BMI, the London Independent Hospital. BMI, the London Independent Hospital, is a comprehensive multidisciplinary private hospital located in the East London. So it is another private hospital and this is their website. You may go directly to this website and you can directly apply for the jobs. Next comes the InHealth Limited. InHealth is the UK's largest specialty provider of diagnostic and healthcare solutions. You may go to this website and you can directly apply for the job opportunities. Next comes the Alliance Medical Limited. It is also Europe's leading independent provider of imaging services. This is their website. You can go through their website and you can directly apply for your job. These are the other private hospitals which is upcoming, or the private hospitals in London, and their website and their career options. All those things will be there in these website. You may directly go to these website and you can apply for your position or for your specialty vacancies. After that they will be shortlisting and they will be calling for an online interview. So I will be showing you one demo video how to search NHS jobs. I will show one video. With that you will understand how to search NHS job and what all have to be done in that website. Just open up your Google and then you can search as NHS jobs. Once you are searching, you will be reaching their candidate home page. Here we have reached their website and here you can see the advice for job seekers and new NHS jobs website. Just click to that. Then you will be reaching this site. Here you can see register. Click on to register. After clicking onto that, you will be getting your first name, surname, country of residence, email address, all those things have to be given. Okay, after that you have to click on to the agreement and you have to create. Once you have successfully registered, then you will be start receiving the email alert. And here I have received the email alert of nuclear medicine technologist or radiographer, senior radiographer X-ray. Likewise, we will be receiving the job alert. I just click on to senior radiographer X-ray. Then I can see here the senior radiographer, the employer has been given, the Spire Healthcare Limited. Then the job title, permanent, job type, whether it is permanent, and read this before applying, it's given. And you can just after reading that, you can just scroll down and you can apply for this job. You can click to that and you can. You understood how to search for a job in NHS. You have to move on to their website and you have to register. Once you have registered, you will be start receiving the email alert of the job opportunities, and you have to directly apply for the jobs. And next I will be showing you how to prepare your CV, and depending upon your CV and how informatively and how detailed you are giving your job details or your description in job, with that they will be shortlisting and call forwarding you for an interview. So which all things have to be included in your CV will be discussed next. So let us see about updated CV. It should have a covering letter and followed by it should have begin with your personal detail, field of interest, means in which specialty you are applying for, and the career objectives. You have to give minimum of 3 to 4 lines for career objectives, and you have to give the area of expertise. You have to give in detail, employment history in detail, training details in detail, academic qualifications, computer skill, languages known, professional license or membership, machine handled, it should be given in detail, personal attributes in detail, references you can give 2 to 3 personalities, and you have to give your personal details. And if you have to know more about the CV in UK, then you can just Google it as sample CV UK. You will get a format and go through all these details, and you have to prepare a detailed updated CV. The more informative and more job description you have to give, since based on this job description they will be shortlisting and call forwarding for an online interview. And the online interview will be always a face-to-face interview. So once you have successfully qualified your interview, they will be issuing a COS, means certificate of sponsorship, and with this COS you have to take visa appointment. In Kerala it is through VPS Global Ernakulam, and you will be getting the visa, and this visa will be offered for 3-year or 5-year visa. Mostly it is 3-year visa. Later in your passport they will stamp visiting visa. Before it was 30 days, now it is about 90 days due to COVID-19, and you have to reach UK London before 10 days of visiting visa and collect your BRP, Biometric Residence Permit. Hope you all understood all about and how to search for NHS jobs and how to apply. And once they have shortlisted, they will be called forwarding for an interview. And what all are the requirements, all those things you are clear with the NHS job searching. And all about HCPC, I think everyone are clear about all these sessions. If you have any queries, you can just mail to my mail address which is given above, and I will be uploading the next video depending on your queries, or else I will be moving ahead with Koru registration. So stay tuned and keep watching.